If you've ever been to a Japanese steakhouse, chances are you've had chicken teriyaki on a hibachi. Teriyaki sauce dates back to the 17th century in Japan, and today it's one of the most recognized sauces in Japanese cuisine. Tonight we're combining a traditional teriyaki sauce recipe with this fine product right here to make chicken cherryaki with Tabletree cherry juice, handcrafted from naturally sweet Montana flathead cherries. It's the perfect complement for this sweet and savory dish. And when you're in the mood for a cocktail before dinner, Tabletree is the ideal juice to mix with your favorite spirits. Tonight we're making a Tabletree Old Fashioned, 1 part whiskey, a few dashes of bitters, and Tabletree cherry juice ice cubes. If you can't find Tabletree juice in your favorite grocery store, visit the Tabletree website at www.tabletreejuice.com and place your order direct. Tabletree is perfect for the chef, the baker, and the beverage maker. It's chicken cherryaki and Tabletree Old Fashioned in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight we're creating the flavor and excitement of a Japanese hibachi with chicken cherryaki. We'll take a traditional teriyaki sauce recipe and combine it with Tabletree cherry juice. This handcrafted cherry juice is the perfect complement to our sauce made from soy sauce, sake, brown sugar, chicken stock, fresh minced ginger, and garlic. Our entree is made with boneless, skinless organic chicken breast, hand-seared in grapeseed oil, and seasoned with salt, pepper, and garnished with sesame seeds. Served with sushi rice, sliced carrots, and fresh broccoli. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vinegar, 1/2 cup of chicken stock, 1/2 cup of Tabletree cherry juice, 1/2 cup of sake, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 chopped scallions, and a tablespoon of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, and a teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 boneless chicken breasts and a pound of diced chicken, salt and pepper. For the rice, we'll need a cup of chicken stock, a 1/2 cup of sushi rice, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Our vegetables, broccoli florets and sliced carrots. For the garnish, we'll need sesame seeds and scallions. Our cocktail tonight, 2 ounces of Tennessee whiskey, 2 dashes of bitters, 4 Tabletree cherry juice ice cubes, and a lemon wedge. Let's make a cocktail before we begin our dinner tonight. In a cocktail glass, place 2 Tabletree cherry juice ice cubes. We made these the day before. Add in a few dashes of bitters, a 1.5 shots of whiskey. We're using Tennessee whiskey, but you can use whatever whiskey that you like. Give it a stir, and then add a lemon wedge around the rim of the glass. As the Tabletree cherry juice ice cubes begin to melt, the cocktail intensifies in flavor. And now we'll head into the kitchen to make our entree tonight, chicken cherryaki. We'll start with the Cheriyaki sauce first. In a large reduction pan, add in a few tablespoons of grapeseed oil and turn the heat to medium. Add in the minced garlic, the minced ginger, and 1/2 of the scallions, and saute them for a few minutes. This brings out the aromatics of the products as they cook. Add in the sake, soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, chicken stock, Tabletree cherry juice, and some sesame seeds. Reduce the liquids by half and add in some cornstarch to thicken the sauce as needed. We'll get our sushi rice going next. Add the chicken stock to a small pot and turn the heat up to high until the stock is boiling. Now, some people will use water instead of stock, but water has no flavor. The chicken stock really helps bring out the flavor of the rice. Add in a few pieces of butter to the pot of stock. Then add in your rice, give it a quick stir, cover the pot with the lid and cook it on low heat for 20 minutes. Let's get our chicken ready next. Add a few tablespoons of grapeseed oil to a large pan and turn the heat to medium. Add the chicken breast to the pan and cook on each side for about 10 minutes. Add in the diced chicken next. Spread them out of the pan so that each piece is touching the pan. We want the chicken to pan sear and not steam. In order for it to brown, it will need to be touching the pan. Season the chicken with salt and pepper, and if you want to add some additional flavor, you could add in some garlic powder and onion powder too. Flip the chicken breasts over and cook them for an additional 8 to 10 minutes. The Cheriyaki sauce should be nice and thick by now, so you can lower the heat or even turn it off. Transfer the diced chicken into the Cheriyaki sauce and stir them in. The larger chicken breasts take a few minutes longer than the diced pieces, so as we continue to let them cook, let's start cooking our vegetables. Add a few more tablespoons of grapeseed oil to the pan and add in the carrots and broccoli. Season the vegetables with salt and pepper. When the internal temperature of the chicken breasts reach 145 degrees or so, transfer them into the Cheriyaki sauce and stir them into the sauce. Then place the chicken breasts onto the cutting board and allow them to rest for 10 minutes before slicing. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is! Chicken Cherryaki, boneless, skinless chicken breast, hand-seared in grapeseed oil, served with sushi rice, carrots, and broccoli, and coated with a sweet and savory sauce made from soy sauce, sake, chicken stock, and award-winning Tabletree cherry juice. It was a taste of the hibachi in the kitchen tonight. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.